Turns one. Ow.
Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh!
Oh! It's not that serious.
What do you want? That's not how we communicate in this house. This is why you don't climb on the freaking counters! Augustus!
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.
Вообще...
It's pistachio ice cream.
You can't do this anywhere else? Max, this is where I draw the line, bud.
Like, are you serious? What? Is this how you clean your arms?
Why are you pretending to eat the shower curtain?
I give one.
I love you. Boop. Is this a confession? I love you too. I love you too. I love you too. Are we married now? Oh my god, someone help me. This thing's freaking me out. Oh no, get me out of here. Oh, I need to be careful here or Jimmy will be mad again. Oh, fluff. Let me just fix that and hope he doesn't notice it.